Hello everybody, my name is Enderman. Today I'm joined with my friends Matt. Do you want... Okay, so here's my friend Matt, and we are going on a mission
to kill his brother.
to kill everybody downstairs with this Nerf gun. Alright, yes. And this is an automatic Nerf gun. You like pump it and it shoots stuff. Okay, so we're going down the stairs. Okay, they're fighting. Get down! Okay.
You need to be in front of me.
Okay, so that was good. It's pretty good. We got him a little bit. So we're gonna be next. We're gonna be back with the next.
You're shooting. I want a video.
Okay, so we're back.
Okay, so I won't get your phone.
He's gonna videotape me. All right, you go down first.
Okay. Well, we're walking down the stairs. There's his friends being affected.
They dropped